Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. It looks really rough, and I tried redrawing it, and I'm having a little bit of problem. I still want to play with it, but just to kind of get him by, it traced really well. He said it wouldn't trace, and I reduced it in size quite a bit. It's less than 5 inches tall. So you can see it's a bitmap where this is not. And it's identical. I don't like the stars being a little rough, but I'm going to try to redraw it later. But anyway, we're going to take the original, and I made it small. I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline, Trace Clip Art. And a lot of times this will happen. You get a preview and there's nothing there. Well, if we move the trace over and we right-click the fill, there you have it. I mean, there's two ways to do that. You could left-click and have this, and you could actually work with this and kind of, and I might even do that later today. Maybe make this a little more symmetrical, make the stars a little more like stars. And then once you did that, because you could just rotate, I will do another video later on this. But if you wanted to use that, if you will hold down your shift key and double click on your rectangle, and let's make that rectangle black, and let's take away the outline, and let's take this and fill it in with white and take away the outline. Go up to Object, Order, Front of Page, and look what you got. I mean, it's a lot better than original, but it could still be cleaned up a little bit. This could be a little more symmetrical, but I would be happy with that. You know, if you just, you know, it's a 5-sided star and you got 5 links. I tried, this is he's having trouble drawing it from scratch, and I have yet to figure it out, but I'm going to maybe look at that later today. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.